And new tonight, a woman considered a civil rights hero and activist is spreading her message of resistance in Fresno and on the big screen. Historic labor leader Dolores Huerta is the co-founder of the United Farm Workers of America, alongside the late icon Cesar Chavez. She attended the Fresno premiere of a new documentary about her fight for workers' rights. KC24's Oscar Maciel spoke to Huerta about her ongoing efforts. And Oscar, it seems her work never seems to be done.
Well, that's right, Steph. At 87, the mother of 11 is still fighting for equal rights. And tonight, she gave moviegoers a chance to experience that fight, along with a few other lessons, including how to never give up. An inspired audience cheering for one of history's unsung heroes. Dozens packed into the Maya Cinema at Campus Point to catch a glimpse of Dolores Huerta, an icon who changed history for many in attendance.
She really helped my grandma and my grandpa when they were out in the fields.
Dolores Huerta is a living legend for us.
As a young man, Victorio Rojas marched with Cesar Chavez for workers' rights. He says it's important the Chicano community and everyone in the valley recognize her contributions.
The first one, hey, this isn't right. We're here to support you, and now we're here to support her.
Huerta is the star of the PBS documentary and a lifelong activist fighting for fair conditions and wages for field workers. The former teacher and Medal of Freedom recipient sharing years of wisdom with the audience.
You should never think that because somebody doesn't have a high school education or a college education that they are not educated.
The film spans her decades organizing against injustice, but for Huerta, it's just a chapter of her efforts that continue through her foundation, with branches in Fresno County and Sanger. Huerta taking a moment to chime in on issues like immigrant rights.
The DACA students are going to stay here. We have 70% of the American public that is supporting DACA students.
Women's rights.
We know that we need a lot of women to get elected to office, to run for office, and to get in those decision-making positions.
And leadership.
President Trump, I think we can just pray for him, okay?
Huerta hoping her film, her words, and her legacy pushes others to influence change.
We want people to know that they can make a difference, but they have to get involved.
Well, the movie is scheduled to run for at least another 3 weeks. After that, Huerta will follow the film to Denver, Colorado. Live in the newsroom, Oscar Maciel, KC24, local news that matters.
Thank you, Oscar.